In this video, I'll show you how to create a futuristic opening where targeting elements lock onto the screen and reveal your video with precision. Start by opening your project in CapCut Mobile and placing your video clip at the beginning of the timeline so the lock effect feels intentional. Tap on the video clip to select it. From the bottom toolbar, tap on Animation to access the animation settings. Now switch to the In tab, which controls how your video appears at the start. Scroll through the animation list until you find Target Lock, then apply it. Once applied, targeting elements snap into place, revealing the video underneath with a focused and tech-inspired look. In CapCut Mobile, this animation is applied directly to the video clip, not as a separate layer. Use the duration slider to control how sharp the lock feels. Shorter duration makes the effect fast and tactical. Longer duration slows it down, adding cinematic tension. Preview the animation and adjust the timing so the lock motion feels deliberate. And that's it. You've successfully added a target lock reveal animation in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile animation tutorials.